In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly convert Word documents into Microsoft Forms. Whether you're crafting a survey, collecting feedback, or building a quiz, Microsoft Forms offers a straightforward way to bring your content to life. Let's dive right in and make sure you can do this with ease in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to go to the Microsoft Forms website. Open your web browser and head to forms.office.com. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice an option that might not be entirely obvious at first glance. Look out for the Quick Import button. Clicking this will set things in motion, paving the way for converting your Word documents into interactive forms in no time. After clicking on Quick Import, the next step is to upload your document. To do this, select Upload from this device. This easy to spot button will prompt you to browse through your files on your computer. Now, be sure to have your Word document saved and ready for this. You may also use a PDF if that's what you have. Simply navigate through your files and find the document that you wish to convert. Once located, click on it to select it for upload. Now comes the crucial decision-making step. Determine whether your content is better suited as a form or a quiz. Microsoft Forms allows you to choose between these two options. A standard form is perfect for surveys or feedback, where multiple people might provide responses without right or wrong answers. On the other hand, if your document is designed to test knowledge, opting for a quiz is the way to go, as this will enable you to include correct answers and scores. Take a moment to consider the nature of your document, and then go ahead and select the option that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice and the conversion process is completed, proceed to review the form or quiz Microsoft Forms has generated for you. This step is vital. It's your chance to go through the details, ensuring everything appears as you envisioned it. Use this opportunity to make any edits or adjustments. You might need to tweak some text, adjust settings, or restructure questions to better fit the interactive format. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your form or quiz looks, it's time to share it. Microsoft Forms offers a variety of sharing options. You can send it via email, create a shareable link, or even embed it on a website. Simply choose the method that's most convenient for you and suitable for your audience. And there you have it. With these steps, you can swiftly transform any Word document into a functional and engaging Microsoft form. Practice it a couple of times, and soon you'll be doing it almost instinctively. Happy form building?